Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Since last Friday, the developments in Rajasthan politics have kept us all hooked. What will Sachin Pilot do? Will he leave the Congress party? Will he join the BJP? Will Rajasthan government fall? Or will the Gandhis interrupt in between and they will solve the entire tussle between Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot? Now, few of these questions have been answered over the weekend. Let's revisit some of the major developments that took place in Rajasthan politics since last 3 days. But the question is, what happened that Sachin Pilot took this extreme step and rebelled against his own party? It was on Friday night that as many as 20 Congress MLAs released a joint statement, and the statement was even signed by all of them, including the Chief Whip of the Congress party in Rajasthan Legislative Assembly and the Deputy Chief Whip. The letter alleged that the BJP is trying to poach the Congress Rajasthan MLAs, and it also said that the leaders of the BJP are trying to contact the Congress MLAs in the state in various ways, in different ways, and also trying to offer them and trying to lure them. They are trying to offer them favors so that they shift their loyalties towards the BJP. Now, they also said that the topmost leadership of the BJP is also involved in this plot, but they also mentioned that they will not let this attempt of destabilizing the Rajasthan government, Congress Rajasthan government, be succeeded, and they also said that their integrity is intact. Now, this particular allegation was also confirmed by Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot in a press conference, in which he said that at a time when the state should have focused on how to fight the COVID-19 pandemic, this is the distraction that is keeping their attention, where BJP is trying to topple the Rajasthan Congress government. Now, what started out as an attempt of BJP trying to topple the government as per the allegation by the Congress leaders, it later turned out to be a platform for infighting between the top two of the state, that is Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot. Now, over the weekend, this fight played out and it peaked yesterday when Sachin Pilot shifted to Delhi and was trying to meet the Gandhis to sort this out. The allegation against the BJP are not new though, because even during the Rajya Sabha elections, before the Rajya Sabha elections, in fact last month, the Congress party had alleged that BJP is trying to poach the MLAs of the Congress party. Now, at that point of time, Mahesh Joshi, who is the chief whip of the Congress party in Rajasthan Legislative Assembly, had filed an FIR, and in that FIR, he had filed that FIR based on a conversation between two BJP leaders who were also later arrested by Rajasthan Special Operation Group. Now, that particular conversation mentioned that at least 1,000 to 2,000 crore rupees can be earned if they topple the Rajasthan government of the Congress party. It also mentioned the name of Sachin Pilot. As such, he is a chief ministerial aspirant. Now, the Special Operation Group in this FIR, acting upon this FIR, sent summons to the chief whip who submitted the FIR. Then they also sent the summons to Chief Minister of the state, that is Ashok Gehlot, and also to Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot. Furious with the summons, Sachin Pilot went incommunicado since Saturday. He, along with his close to 20 MLAs, left for Delhi. As per reports, Congress sources believed he wanted to speak to Congress party interim president Sonia Gandhi. Thus, he had sought the appointment from her as well. However, as of now, the Gandhis are yet to meet him. Meanwhile, there were speculations that Pilot is in talks with the BJP. He may meet BJP chief JP Nadda today and join the BJP, but neither BJP nor Sachin Pilot confirmed the reports. In fact, as per NDTV reports, Sachin Pilot confirmed to them that he is not joining the BJP. So it was expected that he may float a new party of his own and take the MLAs with him. Back in Jaipur, the wheels also moved fast. Sachin Pilot, on a private WhatsApp group, allegedly released a statement that claimed that he has the support of at least 30 MLAs and Gehlot government in Rajasthan is in minority. On the other hand, Ashok Gehlot called for a legislative party meeting today to prove the numbers. Moreover, to keep the flock together, a whip was issued in this regard. Defying the whip meant that MLAs could be stripped of their positions as well. But Sachin Pilot blew the trumpet of rebellion clearly. He defied the whip and said that he will not attend any such meeting. Congress party held a press conference at 2:30 am on Monday, where it said that Gehlot government has the support of 109 MLAs and more MLAs will join them. It also made clear that whoever defies the whip, strict action will be taken against them. Just hours before the Congress legislature party meeting began, the Income Tax Department conducted raids at multiple locations in Rajasthan, including on the office and residential premises of two Congress leaders who are deemed to be very close to Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. On the other hand, three Congress MLAs who were supporting Sachin Pilot, they returned from Delhi to Jaipur and also attended the CLP meeting at Chief Minister's residence. Now, before all of this happened, as the day progressed, it became more and more clear that Ashok Gehlot has the numbers, he has the majority, and he has the maximum number of Congress MLAs supporting his chief ministership. On the other hand, it wasn't clear as to how many MLAs are there with Sachin Pilot, but it was very much clear that the numbers, the majority stands with Ashok Gehlot. Before the CLP meeting began, there was a power show, there was a show of strength where media persons were called inside and they were shown all the Congress MLAs flashed victory signs. There was Randeep Surjewala present at the meeting, Ajay Makhan and KC Venugopal, Avinash Pandey, all of these senior leaders of Delhi Congress were also present at the meeting as observers, and a victory sign was flashed by all the Congress MLAs including Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, hinting at that he has the maximum number of MLAs with him. Let's talk numbers. Unlike in Madhya Pradesh, Congress's majority in Rajasthan is not wafer thin. Rajasthan Assembly has 200 seats. Out of them, Congress on its own has 107 MLAs. Also, it has the support of 13 independent MLAs, 2 from Bharatiya Tribal Party, 1 from RLD, and 2 CPIM MLAs also support the Congress government in Rajasthan. This takes the total tally to 125. In fact, these numbers were also confirmed during Rajya Sabha election, where 2 candidates of the party received 123 votes in total. BJP on the other hand has 72 votes plus 2 from Hanuman Beniwal's party, so total is 74 MLAs. Now let's talk about defection. Unlike in MP, maximum Congress MLAs are Gehlot loyalists. Even the independents are close to Ashok Gehlot. Sachin Pilot, though, was a PCC president and steered the party out of crisis after 2014 debacle. He only has the support of 1/4 of MLAs as of now. If Pilot has to break the Congress party without having to deal with the anti-defection law, then he needs the support of at least 2/3 of MLAs, that is 72 MLAs in the present scenario. At present, the numbers are dicey, but somewhat 20 MLAs are with him, way less than required to pull down the government. Other way is making the sitting MLAs resign, but even with the current MLAs that support him, that will not harm the Congress party. The Gehlot camp still has the upper hand even in this scenario. Now the question boils down to what exactly does Sachin Pilot want? It all started in 2014. Before that, Ashok Gehlot was the leader of the Congress party in Rajasthan. He served as chief minister for 2 terms, that is for 10 years he was the chief minister of Rajasthan. But in 2014 there was Rajasthan Assembly election result. There was a debacle. Congress party lost 2013 Rajasthan Assembly election, and subsequently there was also a Lok Sabha debacle where the Congress party could not show its strength. And after that, it was Sachin Pilot who was given the responsibility to build the party back in the state. Now Sachin Pilot as PCC chief, Rajasthan Pradesh Congress Committee chief, he delivered the by-election, assembly by-elections where the Congress party won on both the seats. Then he delivered the 2018 Rajasthan Assembly elections. And after the assembly election, normally in Congress party there is a norm that the PCC president, the PCC chief becomes the chief minister of the state. Now take the example of Kamal Nath, who was Madhya Pradesh Congress Committee chief before he became the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh in 2018, and the same is the case with Bhupesh Baghel, who was the Chhattisgarh Pradesh Congress Committee chief before becoming the chief minister of Chhattisgarh. Now this wasn't repeated with Sachin Pilot, who was PCC chief in 2018 2018, and even after winning winning the assembly elections, he wasn't made the chief minister of the state. Instead, there was a long marathon meeting with the then president of the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, where Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot both were present. Looking at the experience of Ashok Gehlot and maximum number of MLAs who supported him, Ashok Gehlot was given the responsibility of the chief ministership, and Sachin Pilot was settled with deputy chief minister's post, but he was also retained as the PCC chief, and he was also given some plum post in the ministry of Ashok Gehlot. But the feud between the two continued, and now it has hit the last nail after the summons that were issued by the Rajasthan Special Operation Group. What will happen next? That is the question. The Congress party has already extended an olive branch to Sachin Pilot. Randeep Surjewala, in his address today, he asked Sachin Pilot to call up Congress interim president Sonia Gandhi, and he asked him to return. Now, as we speak, there are developments that Sachin Pilot has agreed to return to Congress party. He has apparently. There were posters of Sachin Pilot which were taken down from the Jaipur Congress headquarters, which are being put back up, and there are a lot of developments that are going on. Apparently, some unconfirmed reports are saying that there has been a truce between Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot, where Ashok Gehlot has agreed to a formula where Sachin Pilot's MLA, the MLAs which are supporting Sachin Pilot, should be given more postings in the ministry of Ashok Gehlot. There will be a cabinet expansion where the MLAs who are supporting Sachin Pilot will be given posts as a minister. They will be allotted some ministries, and Sachin Pilot will also remain as the PCC chief. Now, this is the formula that has been agreed upon, but these are just sources, these are just reports. There has been no official confirmation either from the Congress party or from Ashok Gehlot as well about this. But what will happen next is the question. Will this drama finally end today? Will Sachin Pilot agree to this, and will Sachin Pilot come back to the Congress ship? That is the question. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.